Well, today is day 3. How you doing? It was a very rainy night last night. Camp's picked up. Everything's soaking wet, but at least I stayed dry on the inside. I think I'm headed to Boone, North Carolina today, but I'm not sure yet. My first thing I need to do is head down to Yoakum's General Store, let the bike warm up here a second, get some breakfast, find some gas, and then decide what I'm going to do. And let's hope this road ain't too muddy getting out of here. All right, I'll check back in later. As I make my way out of this Cannan Loop Road here, so far so good, and I probably just jinxed myself, but anyway, not even sure how much recording is going to get done today because a big portion of my route I've already recorded before, and I'm just not going to go through all that again and force you to sit through stuff I've already forced you to sit through. Anyway, this is why they call them the Smokies. Finally had some Wi-Fi back there. I was able to look at the radar map. I am just on the western edge of a storm front, and depending on how it moves and how I move, I will be all day, but it's hard not to get distracted by the scenery. And what's up with this? It's September 9th, and I'm in West Virginia, and there's a ton of trees changing colors already. I don't get it. I mean, are we supposed to get a super early fall, winter, whatever? I must say, I give 61 through here a thumbs up, and I wish you would give this video a thumbs up also, please. If you haven't already, mash that subscribe button too while you're down there thinking about it. 61's been beautiful. It's in good shape, scenic, fun twists and curves. I will post a GPX file of this on milesbymotorcycle.com. Look for that pinned down below in the first comment. That's something new I've tried to start doing over the last few weeks, so if anybody wants to ride some of the roads I have ridden, they will have a GPX file at least showing where the road is, and they can figure out what parts and how they're going to get there. Well, we're traveling on US 52 right now, pretty much paralleling I-77. Mainly because I didn't feel like getting on the interstate if I could avoid it. Maybe once I get closer to Boone, North Carolina, I'll hop on the interstate. I've yet to determine that. We'll see. But tonight is a hotel night in Boone, North Carolina, and then we'll figure out what I'm going to do tonight and tomorrow, because I don't know yet. It looks like we're getting ready to do some more twisty action again, and I don't know if we're really turning, or if it's just another turn that is so sharp on this road that the GPS counts it as a turn. Holy crap, what a road. County Road 680. Something to say farm country. GPS called this 614, but the sign when I got on the road said 76, so I don't know what you call it. This says Cedar Springs Road. Pretty road. Well, thanks to good old GoPro locking up and having to remove the battery to get it to unlock up again. I haven't filmed much here lately, but I have basically been doing this for the last 15-20 minutes. Just this crazy remote road like this. It's been beautiful. Lots of twists and turns. The road's in really good shape. It's been called 3 or 4 different things. The best part is it had one of those signs on it that says big trucks don't come down this road, don't use your GPS, and what did I come across? A big truck with a trailer. Go figure. Not going to stay on the road for long, but 58 here towards Damascus is a great ride if you ever get a chance to do it. Well, a Garmin put me on another road like this. Pretty sweet. Welcome to North Carolina. Alright, as we're getting close to Boone, North Carolina, I think I'm going to sign off right here. I know this wasn't one of my most exciting adventures, but hey, I had a pretty good adventure in Virginia, I would say, and here in North Carolina, a little twisty, curvy roads. If you would, please give me a thumbs up for this video. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below, and if you need to ask questions, throw a comment down there. I'll be happy to answer them. I try to answer all of them in a timely manner. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.